see, said William Burroughs. No one asked before they dropped the bomb. What's left